Ever wondered which used Audi cars might turn out to be a financial headache? You're not alone! Today, we're diving into the top 10 most unreliable used Audi models. From expensive repairs to common issues, we'll reveal which Audis could cost you more than they're worth. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 10. Audi R8. The Audi R8 is often hailed as a flagship supercar, but its first-generation models come with significant reliability issues. One major problem is the air compressor pump. It's located deep under the mid-mounted V8 or V10 engine, which causes it to overheat due to lack of airflow. Replacing this pump is costly, not just for the part, but also because it requires removing the rear end of the car and the engine. The repair costs can be sky-high, making the R8 a risky buy if you're considering a used one. Number 9. Audi RS6. The original Audi RS6 was a groundbreaking model, but it's not without its flaws. After 2 decades, many of these cars have hefty repair needs. Common issues include failing torque converters that can cost around $5,000 to replace and worn-out brakes that may set you back $1,500 each. These problems arise from the car's high power and heavy use, so if you're eyeing an RS6, be prepared for significant maintenance costs. Number 8. Audi Allroad. The Audi Allroad is another model that falls short in terms of reliability. Known for its problematic air suspension, electronics, and gearboxes, the Allroad can become a financial burden. The air suspension, in particular, is notorious for issues with struts, lines, and compressors. If you're considering buying an Allroad, be ready for frequent repairs and high maintenance bills. Number 7. Audi Q7 V12. The V12 Q7 is an engineering marvel, but comes with its own set of problems. The high cost of maintenance and repairs on this SUV is a major concern. The V12 engine's power comes with a price. Tires, bushes, and bearings wear out quickly. If you're thinking about purchasing this rare model, be prepared for exorbitant repair costs and high upkeep. Number 6. Audi Q5. Despite its mundane appearance, the Audi Q5 can be surprisingly costly to maintain. Annual running costs for the Q5 can approach $1,000. Common issues include problems with the EGR system, turbochargers, and fuel injectors. These issues can be expensive to diagnose and fix, so consider this before buying a used Q5. Number 5. Audi RS4 B7. The B7 Audi RS4 is celebrated for its performance, but it's not without reliability concerns. The 4.2-liter V8 engine can suffer from excessive wear and carbon buildup if not properly maintained. Regular servicing is essential to avoid rough running and power loss. If you're considering an RS4, be sure to maintain it carefully to enjoy its performance for years to come. Number 4. Audi A8. The Audi A8 is known for its luxury, but some models, especially the 3rd generation, come with serious reliability problems. Issues include timing chain rattles, electronic handbrake failures, and power steering troubles. These problems, combined with the car's high maintenance costs, make the A8 a less reliable option for used car buyers. Number 3. Audi TT V6. The MK1. Audi TT V6 is a stylish choice, but it has some common issues. The DSG gearbox requires frequent servicing, and failing coil packs are a common problem. While the coil packs are relatively cheap to replace, neglecting the gearbox can lead to expensive repairs. Make sure you check the service history before buying a TT V6. Number 2. Audi A1 TDI. The Audi A1 TDI, though a premium alternative to other small cars, can be problematic. The diesel particulate filter, DPF, in the 1.6 and 2.0-liter models can get clogged if the car isn't used for long trips regularly. This can lead to costly repairs and maintenance issues. Ensure you use the car properly to avoid expensive bills. Number 1. Audi e-tron. The Audi e-tron Quattro, despite being a newer model, already shows reliability concerns. Issues include faulty reverse cameras, failing electric handbrakes, and problematic battery performance. These early issues could mean significant repair costs. If you're interested in an electric Audi, It might be wise to wait until these problems are resolved. There you have it, our rundown of the top 10 most unreliable used Audi cars. While these models have their charm, they can also come with significant upkeep costs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and tips. Thanks for watching. While BMWs are known for luxury and performance, not all of their cars live up to the hype. Some models are notorious for frequent breakdowns, high repair costs, and reliability issues that can quickly drain your wallet. So, if you're in the market for a BMW, keep watching to find out which models you should steer clear of. Number 1. BMW X5, 2011 to 2014, 2019 models. First up is the BMW X5, particularly the models from 2011 to 2014 and the 2019 version. The X5 might look great, but it comes with a laundry list of problems. Car Complaints highlights 2011 as the worst year, mainly because of a serious issue: the engine stalling while driving, typically around 68,000 miles. Fixing this could set you back about $4,400, which is no small change. Furthermore, with clutch gives the X5 a low reliability rating of 39 out of 100. On average, you might spend around $1,166 each year just to keep your X5 running. Common problems include leaks from the interior, transmission issues, and oil leaks. Owning an X5 can feel like you're constantly putting out fires, both literally and figuratively. Number 2. BMW E60 M5, 2004 to 2010 models. Next, we have the BMW E60 M5, a car that's both thrilling and costly. Known for its V10 engine with 500 horsepower, this sedan can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. But all that power comes at a steep price. The E60 M5 is infamous for its high maintenance costs. Owners often face a slew of issues, including valve cover gasket leaks, transmission problems, rod bearing failures, and idle and throttle actuator issues. According to RepairPal, you might shell out about $1,173 annually to keep the M5 on the road. While some car enthusiasts love their M5s despite these issues, it's a relationship that demands both time and money. Unless you're prepared for the commitment, it might be best to admire this car from a distance. Number 3. BMW E71 X6, 2008 to 2010 models. The BMW E71 X6, particularly the 2008 to 2010 models, is another SUV that can cost you more than expected. Known for having problems with the fuel pump, cooling system, oil leaks, and solenoid issues, the X6 is a headache waiting to happen. With clutch, rates its reliability at just 24.8 out of 100, far below the industry average. On top of that, RepairPal gives the X6 a poor rating, with maintenance costs averaging around $1,206 per year. Owners often find themselves dealing with at least one major repair each year that costs over $1,000. For a compact SUV, the X6 might leave you feeling anything but compact when it comes to your repair bills. Number 4. BMW 3 Series, 2007 to 2013 models. The BMW 3 Series, available in coupe, sedan, and convertible options, is another model plagued by reliability issues. The 2007 to 2013 models, in particular, are known for their fair share of problems, including oil leaks, excessive vibrations, failing power windows, and overheating engines. Some models even faced recalls due to faulty airbags. Despite its performance and stylish design, the BMW 3 Series can be a financial burden. RepairPal notes that the 2011 model, for instance, has an average annual maintenance cost of around $1,030. If you're looking for a car that doesn't constantly need repairs, you might want to avoid this series. Number 5. BMW X3, 2013, 2015, and 2020 models. Lastly, we have the BMW X3, especially the 2013, 2015, and 2020 models. The X3 shares several parts with the X5, which means it also shares many of the same issues, such as oil leaks, sunroof water leaks, and timing chain guide failures. with clutch gives the X3 a reliability score of just 50.3 out of 100, and the car frequently requires major repairs that cost over $1,000. Typically, owners can expect these expensive repairs to occur 2.52 times over 3 years, which is almost double the industry average of 1.3 times. If you're thinking of buying an X3, be prepared for some hefty bills. In the end, owning a BMW doesn't always mean a smooth ride. The models we've discussed might look appealing, but they come with their fair share of headaches and high costs. So, if reliability and low maintenance are top priorities for you, you might want to look elsewhere. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more car advice. Thanks for watching.